All right, back at it again. This time straight through. Boom. ZS10s from KZ or KZ, however you choose to pronounce it. And these are my first in-ear monitors that I've purchased. I got it because this company is doing a good job by, making great headsets, in-ears for, audiophiles out there. And these are the ZS10s. These are the flagship in-ear monitors from KZ. There you go. The link will be in the description below, and I will be using these for live performances. I am a musician, so I will be using these on stage at my church. So let's get into them. Again, packaging is very nice. Oh, this is for specific people who likes the specifications. There you go. Pause the video and look if this suits you. All right, let's go. So straight up, I guess I'm gonna need a knife. Well, I got it. Little piece of plastic. Get it out the way. Again, packaging is nice. Again, this is just a unboxing, 2018 unboxing of the KZ ZS10s. All right, I just got this yesterday, June 12, 2018. So again, this is just an unboxing, not a full review of how it sounds. I haven't tried them yet. So this is the box. I have the black version, clear black version, professional, 1 dynamic and 4 armature, high sensitivity, treble, and powerful dynamic bass. So each earphones has 4 or 5 drivers in them, 1 dynamic driver and 4 balance armature. All right, so let's get into it. So this is the side here. The version that I have is the one with a built-in mic, but I will be buying the silver cable for it because I don't like the how do you call it, the TRRS connector. I don't want to use that for my stage amp. All right, so this is how the box looks like, straight up, very beautiful, nice packaging. All right, there you go, just a plain white box. Again, the packaging is very nice and high quality. I want to you guys to see that. And let's remove this plastic here. All right, so this is what you will get when you order it. I just ordered mine and I received a pair of EDR1s for free. Link in the description below. Watch the video for the EDR1s. I got them for free just by ordering these. All right, I got them from AliExpress and straight from the company itself. So this is what you get. Very nice and beautiful packaging. The 2 in-ear monitors in there, very nice and beautiful. Like them. Oh, gorgeous. Look at these. You can see the balance armature on this side. This is where I will be plugging them. I think red is for the right side of my my right ear, and the blue is for the left side. All right, so let's take a look and appreciate the engineering in these. Very beautiful. You can see the crossover here, nice and beautiful. Here you go. You see this here, the blue? This is the dynamic driver in there. And then on the side here, again, you can appreciate the balance, the 4 balance armature in there. All right, this is beautiful. I'm excited. And you have some ventilation here. I don't know if you guys can see these little holes, 2 of them here. Yeah, this is to let air come out of the drivers. Yes, well, I guess I was wrong. So red is for the left. You can see here it says L. Red is for left and blue is for right. So please forgive me for that. I am very excited to try these and see how they sound because everybody's jumping on these, especially musicians. You don't have to be a musician to use these. If you appreciate good sound from my earphones, and I got these for $45. AliExpress, you can't beat it. And these are not, we're not gonna compare these to UEs. These are very expensive in-ear monitors, but these for first monitor, $40, $45, you can't go wrong. So all right, so what else? I'm gonna remove this, keep it nice and short. In here we have the cable. These are the new design cables, fresh brand new. There you go again, not cheap clear plastic. This is clouded plastic. Is very nice, you know, reminds me of Apple product a little bit. There you go, high quality, nice. Look at this, braided. Mine has the built-in mic, braided cable here, and let us see our connectors. Ooh, nice and solid. We have the memory plastic that goes around the ear here, and look at this. Let us appreciate this. There you go, gold plated, baby, gold plated. Very nice, you know, very nice and sturdy. I can feel the quality in there. That's again from a Chinese company. A lot of people would not expect this, but it is very nice. Again, you have the right angle. This is a right angle connector in here. Tip, ring sleeve, I think. All right, with the KZ branding here at the end. Very beautiful. And then inside the box again, we have extra ear tips, and we will be picking the right size for us as soon as we start trying them. So I like that, you know, high quality one. This is the flagship in-ear monitors that they have. They have different models, ZST, ZSR, ZSA, etc., but I wanted to get the flagship one because many great musicians are recommending it. And after, when I'm done listening to them, I will have another video and let you guys know. Thank you very much. This is the June 2018 unboxing of the KZ or KZ ZS10s. All right, let me see if I can quickly plug them. There you go. Let me do this right there. Nice and sturdy. Or should it be like this? Maybe. Well, oh yeah, there you go. But I'll try them later and I'll let you guys know. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. I do respond as quick and fast as possible. I am all about details. I don't want to miss, you know, none of your questions. If you have, you know, any suggestion, just let me know. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, Big Ricky 06, we are out.